English speaking course. A day in my life. Hey Brie, how's the new apartment?
It's great, but I need some furniture.
What do you need?
Probably a sofa and some lamps. I'm also looking for a bookshelf.
Oh, there's a garage sale down the street. Want to go with me?
Sure, when?
How about today, after work?
Sounds good. Let's go after work.
Awesome. I have to get back to work now. See you later.
See ya.
Oh, look, Brie. That sofa's nice.
Yeah, and it's the right size. Excuse me? How much is this sofa?
It's $40.
Can I take a closer look?
Sure, go ahead.
Elle, what do you think?
I like it, but $40 is a bit much.
You're right. Do you have any lamps?
Yes, over there. $10 each.
Well, this one's nice. Is it in good condition?
Yes, it works perfectly. Hardly used.
Does it come with extra bulbs?
I can give you 2 extra bulbs with each.
Can I take both the sofa and the lamps for $50?
How about $55?
Could you do $52?
All right, $52 it is. For the sofa, 2 lamps, and 4 extra bulbs.
Thank you. Here you are.
Thanks. Here is your change.
Thank you. Can you help me carry them to the car?
Of course.
Hi, excuse me.
Oh, yes? How can I help you?
I'm Brie. I just moved into room 405 last week. Nice to meet you.
Oh, so you must be my next door neighbor. I'm Sam, in room 406.
That's awesome.
If you need anything, feel free to ask me, Brie.
Well, actually, yes. I want to ask you about something.
About what?
Someone is smoking a lot, and the smell comes into my apartment.
Oh, that's not good. Do you know who it is?
No, I'm not sure. It's really strong in the evening.
Ugh, I've noticed it too. It's annoying.
I want to file a complaint with the building manager. Do you think it'll help?
Yes, it might help. The manager should know about it.
Have you talked to the manager before?
Yes, I have. The manager is nice and listens to problems.
Oh, that's good to know. Can you come with me to talk to the manager?
Sure, I can do that. When do you want to go?
How about tomorrow morning?
That works for me. Let's meet at 9 a.m.
Great, thank you, Sam. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, Brie. We'll get this sorted out.
Hi, excuse me. I need to return this toaster. I just bought it last week.
Sure, what's the problem with it?
Well, it won't turn on. I tried, but nothing happens. I think it's broken.
I'm sorry to hear that. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. I'll check the toaster to see what the problem is.
Yes, please.
Could you tell me how you were trying to turn it on?
Well, I plugged it in.
And then?
I put 2 pieces of bread in and waited, but nothing happened.
Oh, I see the issue here.
What is it?
The toaster is plugged in, but the switch isn't turned on.
Oh, what switch?
It's right here.
Oh, is that a switch? I thought it was a timer or something.
The timer is this one.
Oh, how strange. My previous toaster was from this brand too, but I didn't have to turn on a switch.
Yes, you're right. However, this is the latest model, and it comes with a switch for safety reasons.
I see. Thank you for pointing that out. I feel so silly.
It happens to everyone. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again.
Hi, Brie. Can I sit here?
Of course.
You seem a bit upset. What's wrong?
Oh, I just had a terrible morning.
Oh, what happened?
Do you know I was supposed to have an important meeting this morning?
Yes. Was it the meeting with your client?
Yes. The client wanted to hear about our marketing plan for his upcoming product. I was a presenter.
Was he unhappy with your plan?
No, he wasn't happy or unhappy.
So what happened? Did you not finish it in time?
I finished the plan 3 days before the meeting, but
what?
my laptop decided to upgrade Windows right before the meeting.
Oh no. What happened next?
I had to present with no slides. It was hard to convince my client without them.
That sounds like a nightmare. What did your boss say?
Oh, he was speechless during the meeting.
How about afterward?
He gave me an earful right after the meeting ended. He said I was unprofessional for not having a backup.
Well, I have to agree. You should have a backup plan saved somewhere else.
I know. I've learned my lesson.
What did the client say?
He was confused, but more understanding than my boss. He told me to email him the plan later.
Oh, how nice. Did you send it to him?
Already did.
Oh, that's rough. How about a coffee to help you relax? My treat?
Well, I'd rather have something sweet right now.
Oh, would you like some orange juice?
That sounds refreshing.
Okay, wait here. I'll be back soon.
Oh, thanks, Elle. You're so nice.
Oh, good morning, Brie. It's rare to see you this early.
Hi, Sam. I just got back from my morning run.
Oh, I wish I had your motivation.
I just started a few days ago. I want to lose some extra weight after the holiday.
Me too. I've gained 4 pounds after the holiday.
Do you want to join me?
No thanks. There's no way I can get up that early.
Do you run in the afternoon?
Actually, I don't run. I go to the gym.
Really? Where is it?
Oh, it's right around the corner.
Oh, cool. What's it called?
It's called Elite Fitness.
Wow, it sounds expensive.
Oh, it's actually affordable. I can send you their membership fee if you're interested.
Yes, please. And how is the equipment?
They have a lot of equipment and great classes. Plus, the trainers are really nice.
Oh, that's great. Because I have no idea how to use the gym equipment.
I'm sure you'll find some good trainers there.
Cool. Do they have a free trial?
Yes, they do. You can try it for a week for free.
Perfect. How do I sign up for the trial?
Just go to the gym and ask at the front desk. They'll set you up.
Thanks, Sam. I'll check it out.
You're welcome.
Hi, Mom.
Oh, Brie. How are you, sweetie?
I'm great, Mom. How are you?
I'm amazing. Just missing you a lot.
Me too, Mom. I really miss you.
How's your new job going?
It's going great. In fact, I've just been invited to a party with my new colleagues this weekend.
Oh, that sounds lovely.
Yes, it is. But, Mom, there's a problem.
What's that?
It's a potluck party, and I don't know what to bring. I need your help.
Sure, I can help. Do you know what other people are bringing?
No, I don't. They didn't say anything.
Maybe bring something simple but tasty? How about a salad?
Don't you think a salad is a bit plain?
Well, a salad can be great if you know how to make it right.
Mom, you know I'm a terrible cook, right?
I'll help you, honey. Don't worry.
Okay, so what kind of salad should I make?
Let's make a pasta salad. It's easy to prepare, but very tasty. I'll send you my special recipe.
That sounds great. So, what do I need?
Pasta, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, olives, and some cheese. You can use a simple dressing, like Italian.
And do I just put everything in a bowl and mix it?
No, Brie, you'll have to chop them up first.
Ugh, that sounds like a hassle.
Well, how about I stop by tomorrow and help you make it?
That would be great, Mom.
Good morning, Brie.
Good morning, Ian. How was your weekend?
Amazing. I went fishing with my friends. How about you? Did you go on a shopping spree?
Yes, I did. There was a great sale at the mall last week. But how did you know?
Well, the tag on your shirt is showing.
Oh my, how embarrassing. I must have forgotten to remove it before washing.
It happens to me sometimes too.
Thank you for telling me. If you were my client, I'd probably quit my job out of embarrassment.
If that were the case, you should definitely go to the restroom and fix it quickly before the morning meeting.
You're right. Do you have a pair of scissors?
No, I don't, but there should be a pair in the photocopy room. I think it's on the counter.
Thanks, you're a lifesaver.
You're welcome, Brie.
Don't forget to practice your English every day to improve your English level. Watch the video for 1 week. Try to think and speak in English every time. Listen and repeat the lesson out loud to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like, share, and comment. Click here for more useful videos.